Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your data and yourself. Back up with Time Machine or a clone, then power down and unplug the Macbook. Wait about 2 minutes so capacitors discharge. Lay an ESD mat down and organize tools, Pentalobe and Torx drivers, spudger, suction handle, and the replacement screen. Once ready, remove the back screws methodically and store them in order. This prevents mistakes later. Make sure to photograph internal cable routing for reference, because correct reconnection is crucial for display function. With the bottom off, disconnect the battery connector immediately. This reduces risk of shorts while you work. Next, unscrew hinge mounts holding the display. Support the lid with a suction cup or have a partner hold it to prevent sudden drops. Use a plastic spudger to pry up tape and gently unseat the display, camera, and ambient light cables from board sockets. Work slowly to avoid tearing fragile ribbons. If a connector resists, check for hidden clips before applying more force. Keep screws separated by hinge side and order. You reattach the replacement display by aligning hinges, seating cables in their sockets, and finger-tightening hinge screws so alignment is correct. Then torque to spec. Reconnect the battery, close the case, and boot while watching for backlight, camera, and trackpad responsiveness. This verifies electrical connections before final tightening. If the screen is black or flickers, reopen and reseat connectors, perform an SMC reset, and inspect for debris or bent pins. Once confirmed working, torque screws fully and run a brief.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.